Are you on the right path to outpace your competition? Or is your manufacturing business running on an outdated platform that makes it difficult to maximize data insights, attract talent, and minimize risks to quality, security, and your supply chains? If you're not operating as efficiently as you like, and you're looking for a flexible solution that can connect all aspects of running a manufacturing plant on one platform, it's time to consider the Plex Smart Manufacturing Platform. A connected, cloud-based modular solution built to meet your needs wherever you are in your digital transformation journey. No matter your size, the Plex Smart Manufacturing Platform ensures every layer of your operation is integrated. Empower your workforce through production monitoring that provides access to clear, accurate, real-time data so you can visualize KPIs, trust your data, and drive continuous improvement. Rely on asset performance management to seamlessly monitor machine health and performance, eliminating unplanned downtime and ensuring process quality. Use the Plex Quality Management System to reduce product defects and meet strict industry and customer compliance with a closed-loop digital system of record. Take control with a manufacturing execution system that provides full visibility and traceability across your entire manufacturing operation and the ability to automate processes for reduced human error. Make better data-driven decisions faster with purpose-built enterprise resource planning that centralizes inventory management, procurement, orders, fulfillment, EDI, accounting, HR, and other key business operations. And connect your customers and suppliers with supply chain planning that defines how inventory best meets sales and service objectives, driving higher customer satisfaction. Connect, automate, track, and analyze every aspect of your enterprise with the Plex Smart Manufacturing Platform.